hours of protest that has been going on, where there are students who are protesting against this entire seminar, and over here they are definitely supporting this entire matter. They are here, a group of people who are supporting this entire matter. They are saying that आपको लगता है कि राम जन्मभूमि इशू के ऊपर जहाँ पे डिस्कशन चल रहा है, ऐसे डिस्कशन होने चाहिए?
मैम होने चाहिए।
आप कौन से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से हैं?
मैम आई एम फ्रॉम RSS।
अच्छा, पर आपको लगता है कि इसमें डिस्कशन होना चाहिए?
मैम होना चाहिए।
पर इससे क्या कम्युनल फीलिंग नहीं बढ़ती है? कम्युनल फीलिंग बढ़ती है
मैम,
इससे पोलराइज करता है?
नहीं मैम, ये कोई पोलराइज नहीं करता, ना ही कोई कम्युनिस्ट थिंकिंग है ये मैम एक बात है मैम। जब कोर्ट ने जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चल रहा है तो किन लोगों को क्या प्रॉब्लम है? हम तो डिस्कशन ही कर रहे हैं, डिस्कशन में तो किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए, बस इन लोगों को हर बात में प्रॉब्लम होती है बस।
आपको लगता है कि डिस्कशन होना चाहिए?
डिस्कशन होना चाहिए मैम, ये डिस्कशन होना चाहिए, पर भगवान राम का नाम लेना कम्युनल है तो ये गलत है।
आपकी क्या यूनिवर्सिटी से है?
हाँ जी,
आपके
बजरंग दल
से। आप यूनिवर्सिटी से हो?
बजरंग दल से।
But you can see there are two sets of student bodies over here. One which is in support of this entire seminar, who are saying that the discussion on Ram Mandir must carried out. These are the student organization which are backed by RSS and BJP, who are inside the enclosure where the auditorium is, where the seminar is taking place. While there are these other sets of students who are from NSUI, who are protesting against this seminar. They are protesting against the fact that discussions are being carried out on the Ram Mandir issue, and the police over here is only trying to quell the situation and try to bring it under control. Police is using force over here to take away the protesting students. Well, these are the students from NSUI who are protesting against this entire seminar on the Ram Janmabhoomi being carried out. They are the ones who are saying that this entire event be cancelled and that Subramanian Swamy should not be allowed to speak. While there are one set of students who are in support of it, the other set of students who are against this entire matter. Definitely this is going to be escalating as we can see as hours are passing by, with the student organization like KYS, ISA and NSUI going against this entire decision of the university to let the auditorium be given off for a seminar where Ram Janmabhoomi discussions be carried out. Subramanian Swamy would be addressing the crowd. As you can see, the police is using force over here to take away the students. The students and the police are clashing here on this entire issue, where the students are only demanding the right to sit outside the arts faculty area inside the Delhi University and protest against this entire seminar, where Subramanian Swamy and the others are going to be holding discussions on the Ram Janmabhoomi issue. Though they have claimed that it's only going to be based on facts, but they are saying that it is only going to be an attempt by these organizations to polarize the sentiment of the students over here. It's going to stir the communal sentiment within the students over here and vitiate the democratic fabric of the university. While there are these other set of students inside the university, inside the auditorium premises over here, who are in support of this entire event, who are saying that these events and these discussions on the Ram Janmabhoomi must not be stalled. Let there be discussion, let there be a fair play. With camera person Rajiv Gautam in Delhi University, outside the arts faculty, Samit Kapoor.